Coronavirus cases are surging in the Gambia. There are presently nearly 1,000 active cases, and the health minister says the rise in COVID cases has been dramatic, with cases being discovered mostly in the Greater Banjul area up to Karlaji.
All 7 health regions have been reporting cases of COVID-19, with the majority of confirmed cases in Western 1 and 2 health regions, which is from the Greater Banjul area up to Karlaji.
The dramatic increase in the number of COVID cases has left the government scrambling. It is calling for concerted collaboration and partnership in battling the disease.
The unprecedented and increasing impact of COVID-19 require the broadest range of humanitarian and public health partners working together. The breadth and range of societal impact of the virus means that the consistent engagement of communities is paramount in promoting and maintaining local action. This is premised on the fact that to break the cycle of transmission, each individual has to be responsible to protect himself and others. Each individual must be responsible for his own personal protection and the protection of others around him.
The government has rolled out a national vaccination exercise. Over 11,000 citizens have received the Janssen vaccine in the last 2 days.
In the first 2 days of the commencement of the vaccination program with the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, over 11,000 individuals have received the vaccine within those 2 days.
The sudden return of COVID has also seen the government reintroduce its mandate around face masks. A person must wear a face mask in all public places or risk paying a fine of $1,000. The minister, however, addressed the issue of face mask dealers letting people try face masks on their face before buying them.
The general public is still reminded that the wearing of the mask, the face mask, is mandatory in public places. Face masks are necessary protective gears and should be worn properly. We urge all local face mask manufacturers to follow the approved production standards to offer safe and hygienic masks that protect the wearer and the general public. Locally produced masks must be washed thoroughly and dried before wearing. We advise mask sellers to refrain from the practice of allowing buyers to test the mask before buying.
The press conference by the Ministry of Health was originally planned for Wednesday, but the minister was busy at the National Assembly, which caused a delay. Fatou Kamara reporting for the Fatu Network News Review.